just creeping on their engagement photos.
Yeah. Nice drop your phone in that.
Ready to jump?
Hell no, bitch. Not today.
Who left their babies? Alright, so we're walking. We can see it through the trees, but we don't know how to get down there right now. So we might be lost.
Oh yeah, you're right. See?
Maybe a map will help us.
I don't know what all these numbers mean, so maybe not.
Alright, well, let's just keep walking. We'll be good. Live from Niagara Falls!
Hello!
So if this video gets 500,000 likes,
That's not gonna happen, girl.
we'll get inner tubes and bring them here and go down the waterfall in them. Break time. Devacia sending her mom a photo of us looking like we're about to jump off this cliff. Ooh, girl. Oh my god, this is fucking slippery. Please look at where Devacia just got us. Both ways are just covered in grass.
One of them is a dead end. One of them is a dead end.
And this way is a dead end, right?
I don't know.
I'm guessing. Oh, girl, look at you. It falls. Stairway to heaven. I wish the view was better. I could get like an Insta photo for you. But like the sun's like, you can have like a really artsy like, you know, shadow of yourself from this angle. It's like cool though. I like it. So we just came back and the portion that we were on earlier was closed. We went down some dangerous path down that way. It could have eroded on us.
I think we gotta go this way.
Okay, Dora, is that you? You got the map?
Wait.
So which way are we going?
This way?
Alright, let's go. So we ended up going the wrong direction on the trail. And we've been on this street for like, how long? Like 30 minutes, it feels like. We've walked like...
Maybe like 25?
We've walked like 1.5 miles and we're taking a break on this bench. We're almost back, I think. But yeah, pay attention to the maps, everyone.
And all my friends, they just stay the same.
You got it, come on.
Bitch, it's really slippery.
One step at a time.
My legs are shaking.
I see.
Give me a second. Bitch, we gotta climb back up this on our way back.
Do we really?
There ain't no trail up there, I don't think.
Go ahead, we're just getting over here.
Okay, hang on.
Come on, we all can't walk at the same time.
You're good.
It's just like really fucking slippery here.
That's why I told you to take your time. Be careful.
I'm trying to wet my butt, but it's too late.
You got it?
Yeah, I think
Good
so.
job.